Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy F23 and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So first of all we have to find and open the settings, so let's do it, and here we have to scroll down a little bit to find wallpaper and style. And as you can see right here, we've got the preview of the lock screen and home screen, so we can check which wallpaper we've got currently set. And under it, we've got some albums from which we can choose the wallpaper from. So we can choose it from My Wallpapers, and here we've got some defaultly installed ones. We've got, of course, our gallery, so basically you will be able to set your own photo as a wallpaper. We've got lock screen wallpaper services. What's more, we can tap on Explore More Wallpapers. And if you will have the internet connection and if you will sign into your Galaxy account, then you will be able to find more wallpapers. But let me pick something from the My Wallpapers section, which has got defaultly installed ones. But before, actually, let me focus on the color palette, which is quite a cool option because after tapping on it, you will be able to pick the colors which will be applied to the menu based on the wallpaper which you've got currently set. So that's quite a cool option. And here you've got apply dark mode to the wallpaper option, which is right now turned on, but if you it will actually be applied when you will have the dark mode, so it will also affect the wallpaper. It will make it a little bit darker. So again, let me focus, let me enter My Wallpapers, and as you can see here, we've got some pre-installed options from which we can choose, and all you have to do in order to change the wallpaper, to check the preview also, is to simply tap on the one you'd like to set. And as you can see right now, you can decide where you want to set it, so you can set it as a home screen, lock screen, or both, and I will pick both options, so let me tap on it. And as you can see here, we've got the preview again of the lock screen and home screen. So if you are ready, if you are happy with your choice, just tap on set on lock and home screens. And now we can actually not really go back because defaultly your device will open the color palette option. I've talked about it before, so you can pick the colors which will be applied to the menu simply. So you can pick one of them. You can set the default one, it's up to you, and if you are ready, just tap on apply. And now we can go back, and as you can see, the wallpaper has been applied to the home screen and also the lock screen. So actually this is it. This is how to change the wallpaper in your Samsung Galaxy F23. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.